We've changed the car business at Mark Dodge, and we're honored that you've chosen our dealership for your vehicle needs. Hi, I'm Aaron Ginsberg. In this video, I will walk you through the rest of your vehicle purchase, starting with the stage you're at now, the signing process. But before we get into that, I'd like to take a moment to remind you that our customer satisfaction drives our business. Please contact me if any part of your experience does not meet your expectations. Your feedback is important, and I'd like to take a chance to correct any items that are not perfect. Just let me know and I'll be there to help. In a moment, your business manager will be back with you to walk you through all of your options and to help you select the right finance, warranty coverage, and maintenance options that suit your preferences and driving styles. Our signing process is simple, transparent, and built around your needs. You're in complete control of your options. Our job is to make you feel comfortable, answer all of your questions, and to provide guidance and experience as you make your decisions. The signing process will take typically between 20 and 45 minutes, depending on the level of detail that you're looking for. As part of the signing process, you will confirm how you would like to take delivery of your vehicle. You may do so in person at our dealership. We can meet you within 250 miles of Lake Charles at no additional cost, or we will secure a quote to deliver your vehicle to the address of your choosing. Finally, we invite you to leave a review of our dealership at a site of your choosing. Google, Facebook, Car Gurus, and automotive specialty sites like DealerRater are all great platforms. Simply navigate to the site you're most comfortable with, and please leave an honest review. Thank you again for choosing Mark Dodge. It's an honor to serve you, and we look forward to getting your new vehicle in your hands as soon as possible.